Every year, thousands of engines start ticking, burning oil, losing compression, or suffering lifter damage long before they should. And according to many mechanics, one major reason keeps showing up over and over again: oil that's simply too thin for real-world driving. Manufacturers say modern engines are perfectly safe running 0W-20, but here's the question nobody wants to answer. If thin oil is truly best for long-term durability, then why are so many owners switching to 5W-30 and instantly noticing quieter startups, smoother idle, better oil pressure, and less valve train noise? Today, we're diving into the growing movement of drivers abandoning factory 0W-20 and moving to thicker 5W-30 oil. And the results are honestly shocking. One Toyota owner with a 5.7-liter V8 said his engine always sounded rough on factory oil. Cold starts were noisy, idle sounded ticky, the engine just never felt protected, so he switched to full synthetic 5W-30. The difference, almost immediately the engine sounded calmer and smoother. And here's the interesting part. That exact same Toyota engine was originally designed around thicker oil in many global markets before fuel economy regulations pushed thinner oils in North America. That's where this debate gets serious. Because many enthusiasts believe modern ultra-thin oils are designed more around emissions targets and MPG numbers than maximum engine longevity. And when you look at what's happening across multiple brands, it's hard to ignore. Take GM's 5.3-liter V8. These engines have become infamous for lifter failures and ticking issues. One Silverado owner switched from 0W-20 to 5W-30 after repeated concerns about low hot idle oil pressure. Before the switch, his engine dropped dangerously low at idle. After moving to 5W-30, pressure stabilized, startup noise decreased, and the engine sounded dramatically healthier. That's not just driver imagination. Thicker oil maintains a stronger protective film under heat and load, especially in high-mileage engines, towing conditions, hot climates, or engines dealing with fuel dilution from direct injection systems. And that brings us to one of the biggest hidden problems modern engines face: fuel dilution. In turbocharged engines and direct injection setups, fuel can slowly mix into the oil over time, thinning it out even more. That means your already thin 0W-20 can eventually behave like something even lighter under stress. One Duramax Diesel owner discovered exactly that through oil analysis testing: elevated iron wear, rising oxidation, increasing fuel dilution. So he switched to 5W-30 and tested again. Where metals dropped significantly, iron numbers improved. Viscosity stayed more stable. The oil simply handled heat and stress better. And honestly, this is where a lot of drivers start changing their minds. Because when you see quieter operation, better pressure, cleaner oil reports, and reduced wear all happening after a viscosity change, people naturally begin questioning whether factory recommendations are truly optimized for long-term ownership. But here's the part most videos don't tell you. Thicker oil is not magic. If your engine is neglected, sludged up, or you're running insanely long oil change intervals, no viscosity on earth is going to save it. One Toyota owner with the twin-turbo V6 learned that lesson early. Instead of blindly trusting 10,000-mile oil intervals, he changed his oil aggressively during break-in and continued servicing it early. The result: outstanding oil analysis numbers and almost zero bearing wear indicators. That's the real secret most experienced mechanics agree on. Oil changes matter more than brand loyalty. Intervals matter more than marketing. And engine condition matters more than internet arguments. Now, does that mean everyone should immediately dump 0W-20 and switch to 5W-30? Not necessarily. If you live in extremely cold climates, do short commuting, or drive a brand new engine designed specifically around ultra-low viscosity oil systems, blindly going thicker can create downsides too. But for high-mileage engines, hot weather driving, towing, heavy loads, or engines known for ticking and wear issues, many experienced technicians believe moving one step thicker can absolutely improve long-term protection. And honestly, the growing number of owners seeing positive results is becoming impossible to ignore. Quieter startups. Stronger oil pressure. Reduced ticking. Better wear numbers. Longer-lasting engines. That's why this debate is exploding right now across Toyota, GM, Jeep, Honda, and even diesel communities. Because drivers are starting to ask a dangerous question. What if the oil that gives slightly better MPG isn't the oil that gives the best engine life? And once you start seeing the evidence, it's really hard to unsee it.